Hello and marhaba, I'm Hania and welcome to my North African kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing a Berber style spicy potato side dish that's perfect as an accompaniment to any main dish. Great to take to potlucks, picnics, or even your iftar dinners. Bismillah, let's get into it. All the ingredients that you'll need are listed upon the screen as well as in the description box below. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start by cleaning up my potatoes here, chopping then my tomatoes, then going on ahead and chopping my pepper as well as my onion. Start by adding some olive oil into our pan. I'm not going to use that much because the potatoes will be fried. And then I'm going to just saute my onions right in the olive oil and allow them to soften before adding in my next ingredient. And now we can add in our tomato along with our chopped green pepper, and also let those cook down a little bit. And once your potatoes are fried off, and then you can just toss them right in to our pan here and just mix them. I'm just going to add in my chopped herbs, my chopped parsley and cilantro, coriander, and also all of my seasonings. And finally you can toss in your pitted green or black olives and just give that a nice mix, and then our dish will be done and ready to be served. As you can see here, I have my potatoes right on the table. I'm serving this with a nice potato soup, as you can see here on this, and then also a green salad, and then some freshly made peasant bread. If you've enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a like and share with a friend. And until next time, thanks for watching, and peace be upon you. See you in the next video.